let's talk about cardio and fat loss. Cardio can be great for your heart health and overall cardiovascular system. However, it's not the best tool for fat loss. Let's talk about the science behind cardio. So when you're doing a cardio workout, you are burning calories during that workout. As soon as that workout is done, you have stopped burning calories from that workout. So it's very short-lived and it's an immediate energy burn. This is why it's good for your heart and overall endurance. Now, the science behind resistance training. When you are in a resistance training workout, your body is burning calories during the workout. We are ripping apart your muscles in order to make them stronger. And in order for them to be stronger, after your workout, your body is rebuilding these muscles. Now that also takes extra calories to burn. So you're not only burning calories during the workout, but you're also burning calories after the workout for up to about 2 days after your workout, because we're trying to rebuild and repair your muscles. Now, this isn't the only fat loss benefit. You're also building lean muscle mass in your body. The more lean muscle mass you have in your body, the harder your body has to work and burn energy just for you to function and live. So your overall resting metabolic rate over time with resistance training will increase, meaning you're burning more calories at rest too, as you increase your muscle mass. So if we're talking about fat loss, resistance training should be your go-to. It is the best bang for your buck. Yes, cardio and resistance training both have a place in fitness routines, but if fat loss is your goal, resistance training is your best friend.